In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block with Asana. Time blocking is a simple way to plan your day by assigning a specific time window to each task. In Asana, this becomes a clear visual schedule you can actually stick to. We'll walk through creating your tasks, adding start and end times, viewing everything on a calendar, and syncing it with Google Calendar so your plan follows you everywhere. Start by creating your tasks for the day or week. Think of this as your master list. Add each task you need to complete and give it a clear, action-oriented name so you know exactly what you'll be doing when the time arrives. Grouping everything in one project helps you see the full picture. If you already know what your priorities are, capture those in the task titles or descriptions to keep yourself focused as you plan. Once your tasks are in place, assign start and end times. You can type something like 9:00 a.m. for 1 hour right into the date and time fields, or click the start and end time selectors to set them precisely. This turns vague intentions into concrete commitments. Be realistic with durations and, when possible, leave a little cushion between tasks so you don't feel rushed. If a task consistently takes longer than you expect, adjust its future time blocks to match reality. The goal is a schedule that works for you, not against you. Now switch to the calendar view to see your plan laid out visually. If you don't see a calendar yet, click Add to Calendar to create a calendar view for your project. Your tasks will appear as time blocks, making it easy to spot overlaps and gaps. This is where things click. You can quickly assess whether your day flows well and whether your focus-intensive work lands at a time you're most productive. If something looks off, open the task and tweak its start or end time so your schedule aligns with your energy and commitments. To keep everything unified, sync Asana with Google Calendar so your time blocks appear right alongside your meetings and personal events. Enable the integration and choose the project you want to sync. With two-way sync, updates you make from Google Calendar can reflect back in Asana, keeping both tools in sync. Give the connection a moment if you don't see changes instantly, and double-check your time zone settings so times stay accurate. That's it. Create your tasks, set start and end times, visualize them in the calendar view, and sync with Google Calendar for a reliable real-world schedule you can follow.